Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If you're new to this channel, I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. So lovelies, as you can tell from the title, it's an Hermes unboxing. Yes, another Hermes piece. Oh, here we go. So I got two items. Where's that one? Is it here? And this, okay. Stay there. So as you can tell from the title, yes, it's another hair bag here. Like, I'm so much in love with hair bag, and yeah, so let's unbox this together. Let's see. I saw it already, so it's not a new thing. So let's open. So let's this beautiful, stunning bag. Let's get started. Oh, yeah. So this beautiful, stunning air bag in black, the normal size 31, and in the cellier form. You guys know I got the retourné one as well, the retourné form. So the difference between both is that the retourné is more larger than the cellier. Like, this is more bigger. Like, I need to pack this well because I just have something inside, you know. So I need to pack this very well. You guys can see it more better. So like I said, the difference between the cellier and the retourné, both are the same size 31, but the cellier one is small because of the shape. So this is how you know cellier. So it has this structured shape like the Kelly bag, you know. So this is how. While the retourné is on the inside, you can see it. So this structure that the cellier has, the retourné have it on the inside. So that's why this is more larger, like this contain more than this. Originally they are both the same size, so it's just that the form makes the bag large and small, you know. This is more kind of larger than this, but both are the same size 31. And yes, so the other difference is that this is in the palladium hardware. The retourné is in the palladium hardware. Why this is in the gold color, like, you know, this is gold, like the Hermes classic gold. And yeah, so let's open the bag. And the back of this has this canvas, so with a zipper compartment on the back. Hermes Paris, made in France. So I need to remove the bubble bags. And then this is how the inside looks like. So this is the inside. You can see with the gold hardware on the inside, and also a small pouch as well, you know, pouch. So you can actually remove the pouch as well if you want to take the pouch like this. And yes, so with the gold lock and the key, the matching key as well. So the key do comes in two keys, so in case when you misplace one, so you still have extra additional one. And this is the lock. the lock. Beautiful. This is the bag. Really, really beautiful. Look at it. So beautiful. So going to the next is that I added a sham. You know, this is a very beautiful one. Like, I've been eyeing this for a few months now, and yeah, so it's open. The Hermes pouch, the Hermes pouch, the Hermes sham. You know, this Hermes bag. Really, really beautiful, and yeah. So go. So beautiful. Just love this matte color with the gold, and you guys know I love gold so much, and I'm so happy to get this in gold. You know, really beautiful, waterproof. So yeah. So lovelies, we've come to the end of the video. It's a short video, and yeah, if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Bye. Can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where are you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah,